Hi, I'm Dr. Wendy Schofer. I had the pleasure of publishing an article called The Body Talk Kids Hear Before You Realize They're Listening on SoMe Docs. And I got to tell you, as a pediatrician specializing in eating disorder prevention, I hear from parents all the time who are concerned about their children's growth, about their eating habits, and parents who want to create change without creating bigger problems, specifically without seeding eating disorders. So the article is sharing my approach with parents and a reminder that your kids need a parent who is honest about being a person in a body, in a culture that's been, well, pretty darn unkind to bodies, and who is choosing to build a real relationship with theirs instead of just criticizing it. Check out the article and let's continue the conversation about what help without harm really looks like for your family.